So in chapter 13, we focus on using the command, and this is the syntax of the command, and you can also use this multi-line command, and just like / and then make a star, and also then make a star and make a / and it said this is a good practice to explain your code, and for example the what is the use of these functions, and the standard is called netspec, and we can add the title, author, and also the notice. So in this test we are going to add the title, authors, and also the dev to, for example, compliant with OpenSharePoint's implementation of ERC 721, and we try to just copy this command and paste on the top and check answer. So we can go to next chapter.